In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocHub to edit PDF. We'll walk through the core editing tools in DocHub so you can quickly update a document, fix mistakes, and reorganize pages without starting over from scratch. This is especially useful if you're working with contracts, forms, worksheets, or any PDF that needs a few clean edits. To begin, open your document by uploading it into DocHub. You can bring in a file from your computer or import one from cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. Once the file is open, you'll be ready to make changes directly inside the editor. If you need to replace existing wording, start by covering the old text. Click the whiteout tool, which looks like an eraser, then drag over the text you want to hide. This creates a clean space so your replacement text looks neat and intentional. Next, click the text tool, marked with a capital A. Click over the area you just covered and type in the new text. Take a moment to position it carefully so it lines up well with the rest of the document and keeps the formatting looking consistent. If your document needs visuals, use the Insert Image tool, shown as a picture icon. This lets you add things like logos, photos, or other graphics. It's a simple way to brand a file or update visual content without recreating the PDF. For more advanced editing, there's also the Edit Text tool. This is a premium feature, and it allows you to click directly into existing text blocks and modify the text in place. That can save time when you want a more seamless edit. To manage pages, open the Page Manager from the left sidebar by clicking the icon that looks like a grid of 4 squares. From here, you can drag and drop page thumbnails to reorder them, click the trash bin icon to delete specific pages, or use the rotate arrows to change page orientation. And if you want to combine documents, click Append File at the bottom of the sidebar to insert another file into the current PDF. That's how to use DocHub to edit and organize your PDF efficiently.